Hi guys, today I wanted to show you how the DJI Mini 4 Pro works. It's following me around on my bike. It's DJI's most advanced mini camera drone to date and just came out about 2 weeks ago. It integrates powerful imaging capabilities, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, active track 360 with the new trace mode. And with 12 miles of controlled distance and full HD video transmissions, bringing even more things to love for pros and beginners. So as you can see, it's following me around, and when I first started, I just touched the controller and touched the touch screen, selected me, and it just will follow me around at whatever height and distance from me I started it at. And you can enjoy up to about 35 to 45 minutes of flight time depending on the battery you choose. But enough about the drone, as today I just wanted to show how the active track works following me on a bike ride around my neighborhood, so keep watching. I mean, I'm weaving back and forth and just, seeing how it follows me, and you guys can see that. And then I'll slow down and it backs up, and I'll do donuts, and yeah, just watch how it tracks me along. It does a pretty good job. Yes, I'm looking for traffic. Yeah, I'll just make a left here and go to a park across the street here, and we'll just cruise along. Now I'll go out here on the grass and try to lose it. Just do some figure eights and things like that, and some tight turns. Yeah, it's always staying on me. If I turn in tight, it stops and just does a 360 rather than just trying to keep moving some direction. Now I'm just cruising along, and it stays up pretty well. I mean, I'm probably going about 15, 17 miles an hour, but it'll go near 40 miles an hour. So right now I just have it in normal mode, or I believe cinematic mode, so its adjustments are slower, not as abrupt, so the video is a little smoother. And yeah, just cruise along, and it's all good. And I go back and forth, just trying to lose a little, just seeing how it's tracking me. You can see it'll see some trees to the left, and it'll move over to the right, move away. Same thing with ones on the right there and the left. And I'm always looking back going, is it still there? But I can hear it most of the time. But it is pretty quiet. I have been able to lose the drone, or shall I say it loses me. If I turn real fast and take off, it tries to look for me. I left its range of focus, so don't care for that too much. But it does a good job. It will just stop and hover then if it loses sight of me or tracking of me. So it is a nice safety feature. When I come back to it, it automatically finds me and then starts tracking me automatically. So that is a nice feature. And yeah, just doing some circles in the street so you can see, and it just stays on track. Even the camera adjusts up and down to try to keep me that way. It's tracking me with the camera, and the drone will move around, but it's, not just moving the whole camera around to try to find me. It's tracking me as the object. So it's definitely a cool drone. I love it. I had the DJI Mini 3 Pro, and the Mini 4 Pro came out about 2 weeks ago, so traded that in and got this one instead, because this one has omnidirection, all four ways around it, 360, where the 3 Pro did not. It only had tri, and so it had forward, backwards, and bottom, but it didn't have side sensors for protection. So now it can fly any direction and hopefully not hit an object. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like and subscribe to see other videos that I post and things, you know, if they interest you, whether it's four-wheeling or anything outdoors. But again, hope you guys like, and stay tuned for future events, and keep watching for the next one. Enjoy, guys.